Okay guys, in today's video I have for you the Diva Bag by Sonya. Now this is normally one of my favorite subscriptions, but something went awry this month. If you're curious to see what that was, keep on watching. What's up gorgeous people, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have for you the Diva Bag by Sonya. So I wish I could tell you which month this is, but I'm really not sure. I peeked inside really quick to see if there was a card. There wasn't a card this time. She started putting cards in there, but there wasn't one for this one. So I'm not sure if it's August or September bag, but it's one of those 2 months. So who cares? It's the newest bag that I have. So why don't we just open it up and see what's inside. Let's do that now. Okay guys, so here's the bag. Beautiful hot pink bubble wrap bag. Let's open her up and see what she sent to me. Okay guys, this is one of my favorite subscriptions because it's only $12 a month and I feel like you get a good bang for your buck with this subscription. So let's open her up and grab the first thing we see here. This is Clean Color Eyebrow Razor. Awesome! If I knew how to use it. Obviously, I have no idea what I'm doing when I do my brows. I just kind of try to fill them in and make them look decent. I don't know. I don't feel like I do a very good job, but I do what I can. This is a trimming and shaping. This is for trimming and shaping the eyebrows to perfection. So that's the first thing that we got in here. Nice. I probably won't use that, but that's okay. I mean, there's no way for them to know that. Okay, so this next thing is a liquid liner. I don't have a brand, guys, but here you go. It's a liquid liner. Yeah, there's no brand on here anywhere. So let's open it up and see if it tells me the brand on the eyeliner pencil thing. I'm a bobber. No. Okay, this is a first. I mean, here it is, but there's nothing to see. So this is a first where I don't know the brand. This is the first time that she's ever done this, where she put something in there that I have no idea what it is. Or I know what it is, but I have no idea what brand it is. Normally there's good branding on these things, but there's not this time. So here you go. Let's see. Okay, it's orange and it's dried out. Wow, that's a little disappointing, guys. Can you even see it? Yeah, it's dried out, man. Yeah. I don't know if it's something I'm supposed to wet, maybe. Maybe if I wet it down, it'll work a little better. I don't know, but it's dried out. And this is a bummer. I love this subscription, but this is very disappointing. You know, very disappointing. Okay, so let's move on. Let's just move on to the next thing. Oh, a cute little bag. Oh, this is cute. Oh, look at this, guys. If I show it to you. I mean, what? Oh, there's something in there. Oh, okay. Well, let's do the bag first, then we'll do whatever that is. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. A cute little, like, I don't know, crossbody kind of situation. Bag, I guess you would, you know, do it like that. But this is really cute. It's a ribbon that is holding this together. So I gotta say, you can't put very much in here. I promise you it will break. I make things all the time and I can promise you this is not extremely sturdy, but it's super cute. I mean, you could put a little, you know, a couple little makeup things in here, or your keys, whatever you absolutely need to carry, maybe a couple credit cards, whatever. It would totally serve its purpose. It's really cute. I'll probably give it to one of my nieces, but yeah, that's a cute little thing. There's no brand or anything on this, so I can't tell you guys anything about it other than here it is. This is so weird. Okay, this is a first for me with her. I mean, normally I can find the brands for you. I like to, oh, the bubble wrap's making noise here. I like to pop up the pictures for you guys along with prices and where you can get the stuff. That I find that to be a valuable thing that these subscription services do. It's great to put all these products in here, but if I don't know how much they are and where to get them, it does me no good. It does the company that provided this product for you no good either. So it's really nice if they put that information either in the bag or it's on the product itself. Otherwise, to me, it's useless. It's great to get the stuff, but what if I wanted to buy more or buy it again? I'm just saying. Okay, so this is e.l.f., all right? And it's a bite-sized face duo in spiced apple. Here you go. There's the colors. Great colors. Great fall colors. I'm guessing this is, yeah, Get On The Go Cheeky Glow with the highlighter and blush duo. Yeah, I thought that's what it was. Wasn't sure. Looked like it was a blush. So that's what that is. And we have the brand name on there, which is nice. So, I mean, if I find that I like this, I know where to buy e.l.f. products pretty much anywhere, so that's good to know. But wow, guys, I am really kind of bummed with this one. First time since I've been getting the subscription that it's just kind of been all over the place. So I don't know, guys. There's a couple more things in here. I'm just going to kind of grab it all, but I'm not that thrilled with this particular bag this time. She always puts candy in here, and I think it's so cute and it's so great. And we got a pineapple and kiwi high chews. Love them. I usually eat the candy every single time, so that's always nice. I dropped a product, which is awesome. We have these eyebrow shaper things, which I clearly need help with, but honestly, guys, I wouldn't have no idea how to use, like, what do you do with this? It looks like a sticker. So it's like a fake eyebrow. Do I put like a fake eyebrow on? I'm totally looking at this, guys. I have to because I'm really curious. Like, what is this? Yeah. It looks like an eyebrow tattoo. Should I wear these on the channel? I'm just saying. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It would have been helpful. Again, I see that these are for your eyebrows, but it would have been helpful if they would have said eyebrow tattoo or something like that. And also, again, let me know who makes this product in case I did like it and I wanted to get more. So this is where I just find a huge disconnect with this particular bag this time. I don't know, kind of disappointing. So I'm going to pause, go ahead and pick up what I dropped and close out the video. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but I dropped an LA Colors Browy Wowie brow pencil. Here you go. I'm guessing it's in this color here, which is a brown and will not look good with my eyebrows. So unfortunately, this whole bag was a miss for me in the fact that I don't know who makes the products. I don't know where to get them if I wanted more because the bag was really cute. And I don't know, I just don't feel that the quality is there this time. Now, usually I love this bag. I think you get a great bang for your buck, but I definitely feel like this is a huge miss. I know LA Colors is something that you buy at the Dollar Tree because that is the kind of makeup that I used to use quite frequently before I started getting these beauty bags and boxes. So I'm not going to open this and do a little swatcheroo because I know that I can't use this color brown. So I will most likely give this to my mom because it will probably work better for her or my sister, one of the two. So I'm not going to open it and do the whole shebang. So guys, wow, first time that I'm disappointed with this bag. It is very helpful for these companies to include information about the products. You know where to get them and how much they cost. And obviously that little like highlighter pencil thing or pen or whatever it was completely dried out. There was no branding on it at all. So that was a complete bust. Wow. I am really disappointed with this one, and I don't like to give any bags a bad review, but this one did not go well for me. However, I do normally like this bag, and if this is your first time seeing what you get in a bag like this, please check out my other videos because it's normally very good, and I encourage everybody to get it and try it out because I do love this bag. Obviously, I'm still going to keep getting it. This isn't going to deflect from that, getting one bad bag, but this is disappointing. Just saying. So, nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully, you don't base Sonya's business off of just this bag. Please do not do that because it's normally a great bag. But if you did enjoy the video, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the super fun stuff I have going on here. I have a lot of fun DIYs coming up. I started working on a lot of various different things now that I got myself a little more organized and I can actually see what I have to work with. So that's going to be super fun, and I have a ton of giveaways this month. Well, not a ton, but I have a lot more giveaways coming up this month because it is my birthday month, and today is my actual birthday, but you're going to see this the day after. So happy birthday to me. I ended up buying myself a cake because apparently my fiance did not remember because he didn't even tell me happy birthday before he left for work today. So whatever, it's fine. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed the video. I am completely getting derailed here, so we're going to close it out before it gets out of control. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I can see the hair. It's going to make me nuts. We got to do something with it. So in today's video, I have for you the, I believe it's going to be the September Diva by Sonya bag. Should I check? I don't want to see the stuff. Let me see if I can check. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Hold on. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my... I can't do this. This hair today. Oh my gosh, it's not cooperating. I would say I'm going to take it out, but you know, I'm not going to take it out. So I'm just going to make it work. So I don't know which one it is for sure because I can't remember what I had last time. So I need to do this again because I rambled too much. Try it again. So in today's video, I have for you the Diva Bag by Sonya. Yeah! That looks so dumb. Woo! Try it again. Okay, guys. Here's the... I knew that wouldn't work. Try it again, though. Okay, guys. So this isn't going to work. We're going to just have to hold it up. Okay, guys. So here's the bag. Comes in this beautiful bag. Try it again. Okay, guys. So it comes in this beautiful hot pinked